tiny new little leaf. It's been repotted recently, and this is Anthurium cerrobaulense, the adult version of the plant. You'll see that there are some spent inflorescences right there, and I'm going to show you how to germinate these seeds. So I've already collected some seed, and I'll take you through the process of cleaning and germinating, sowing and germinating the seed. Not that we have much to do with the germination, since nature does all of that. This plant, just as a matter of interest, is from Mexico. It can be found in Cerrobau. I don't know if I'm butchering that or if I've got that really nailed and spot on. It can be found northwest of Rio de Oro in Oaxaca, on the border of Chiapas in Mexico. So yeah, it is known to be epiphytic. I think it's really stunning. It's got these weird, all the leaves kind of point upward. So if I just tilt the pot, look, see, it's kind of it points upward. So excuse the some of the dying proteas in the background there, but there are some living ones in there. Not the point. Cerrobaulense, let's get cracking. So these here are the seeds of Anthurium cerrobaulense, Balanci, however you want to pronounce that. And you can see that there's one seed actually peeking through. And yeah, we're going to process these. So what you're going to need is just a jar, some dishwashing liquid, and some lukewarm water. So what I'll do now is, you can see some dishwashing liquid in the bottom there, and I'm just going to pour some water into that straight from the kettle. There you go. And then I'll begin to pop the seeds. So I'm just going to hold it, squeeze it, and in it goes. Sometimes there are more than one seed in each fruit, and I'm going by the law that if they sink, they're good. And I'm just going to complete this process. So I'll see you after. Right, so it's a day later and it's almost sunset, so I kind of left them a little bit longer than I intended to, but hey, I got busy. So now I'm just basically going to decant this, remove the water from the seeds, and I'm not even going to stress about it. I'm literally just going to maybe not in a bromeliad because there's some soapy water in there. There we go. Let's pour the water off. Now I've got all of my Anthurium cerrobaulense seeds. I like saying it that way because it makes me feel better about the fact that I may be butchering the word. But yeah. Okay, there we go. Then I'm just gonna, it's incredible how this jar still smells, because I've been trying to get hold of seeds from a cardamom plant, but yeah, it just had cardamom seeds in here before, and still smells of cardamom. So these are your cerrobaulense seeds. I'm just gonna get the rest of that water off. Okay, so you can see there is still a bit of a gelatinous coating around some of the seeds, so not completely either, but like parts of it. So I'm just gonna grab some. I've prepared some medium. So in these pots over here I have got an old favorite. So I've got a bit of peat, a bit of perlite, and a bit of vermiculite. And then once I've sown, I've actually got a container of orchid mix right here. So I'm literally just going to grab some orchid mix and I'm going to sprinkle it over the top like so, and just, whoops, sorry, like so, and just mix it into the top. Now, cerrobaulense, according to research, is an epiphytic species. So this is my justification for putting some bark in here. Okay. So, and it's literally just in the upper surface. Not really, sorry about the shoddy camera work, not really gonna stress about it too much. There we go. Now, I'm just gonna grab some seeds, and I'm just gonna put them down everywhere, like so. You can see some of them are already starting to germinate, actually. Excuse me. By the way, guys, I don't want to put it on social media, but I kind of quit smoking. Are you so proud of me? We'll see if by the time I upload this video, if I'm still not smoking, but hey, we'll see. I'm gonna just be confident about it. And yeah, send me good vibes, guys. Send me good vibes. Okay, so that's there. I'm just gonna, oh, they're so slippery. Okay. Whoops, I think I just dropped one. It felt like I did. I wasn't looking. Did I? Yes, I did. I see it on the floor there. Okay. So now when I'm done, I'll just give it a good deep watering and go put it inside the hothouse to keep it above 22 degrees Celsius during the day. At night, it is not, at this stage, it's not going below 16 or 15 or whatever. So that should be okay. Ah, jeez, I'm just like dropping seed all over. Okay, there we go. It took me a while to find the name of this Anthurium. I didn't actually know its name. Thank goodness for social media. Someone actually helped me identify it. Okay, there's the one fallen seed and the last fallen seed. You'll see in the background they have actually got some more seed for some Cape Lilac, and also what is the other one? Strelitzia alba. It's an indigenous Strelitzia, a bit of a rare one. So there we go, that's the seeds. So all I'm going to do literally is cover it with some silica sand, give it a good watering, and set it out in the hot house. So let's go do that. So here are our 2 pots. So now I've set it in a tray of water because it contains peat, just so that tonight, overnight, it will be able to soak up all the water. And then, yeah, once it's soaked, I'll set it out in a dish with no water in it, and just water it as and when needed. So, let's say my favorite phrase, and now we wait. Finally, young Anthurium cerrobaulense emerging, or, well, yeah, still emerging. They're looking good. Quite a few of them coming up. And the second part I've placed in a different part of the hothouse. We've got less here, but what, that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plants in this one pot. So that's pretty good, I think. That is how to germinate Anthurium cerrobaulense. I will do some coriaceum soon, so stick around for that one. And from here on out, I'll leave them in this pot until spring. And once they really start, I'd say maybe 3 to 7 leaves, just complete shot in the dark, yeah, is when I will repot them and give them their individual pots, because they do have root systems that are quite large for the size of the plant, so I don't want them to be stuck in, just get all crowded in this pot. So that is that. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.